Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of YouTube's algorithm. Understanding how it works can be the key to unlocking serious growth for your channel. We're gonna break down some of the biggest mistakes creators make that could be holding you back. Whether you're just starting out or you've been grinding for a while, this video's for you. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of a successful YouTube channel: consistency. And I'm not just talking about the quality of your content, but also the regularity of your uploads. Think of the algorithm like that friend who always wants to know what you're up to. If you're hitting them up every day with something new and exciting, they're going to be way more likely to keep checking in. When you post consistently, you're sending a strong signal to the algorithm that your channel is active and worth recommending. On the flip side, sporadic uploads can make your channel seem unreliable. If someone loves your video but finds nothing new a week later, they might move on. Even aiming for a consistent frequency, whether it's once a week or once a month, can make a huge difference. YouTube likes predictability, and so do your viewers. By establishing a regular upload schedule, you're creating anticipation and staying top of mind. Next up, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. In essence, SEO is all about making it easier for people to find your videos when they're searching on YouTube. Imagine you've just created an awesome tutorial on how to bake the perfect chocolate chip cookie. You put your heart and soul into it, but when someone searches for chocolate chip cookie recipe on YouTube, your video is nowhere to be found. That's where SEO comes in. By using relevant keywords in your video's title, description and tags, you're telling YouTube what your video is all about. Think of it as your video's first impression. It should be catchy, intriguing, and clearly convey what your video is about, incorporating those key search terms. Your video description is your chance to provide more context and detail. And don't forget about tags. These are like bonus keywords that help categorize your video and make it more discoverable. Let's talk about building connections. Creating awesome content is one thing, but fostering a sense of community around your channel is where things get really interesting. Responding to comments shows your viewers that you're present and value their feedback. Encouraging likes, comments, and shares isn't about vanity metrics, it's about sparking a dialogue and creating a buzz around your content. Host Q&A sessions, respond to comments, give shoutouts. These are all great ways to make your audience feel heard and valued. Remember, a connected audience is an engaged audience, and an engaged audience is more likely to be there for the long haul. Let's be real. We all judge a book by its cover, or in this case a video by its thumbnail. In the vast sea of content on YouTube, your thumbnail is your first and often only chance to make a killer first impression. Think of it as a movie poster for your video. It needs to be visually appealing and intriguing. Imagine scrolling through your YouTube feed. What makes you stop and click? A bright, high-resolution image with bold, eye-catching text. When creating your thumbnails, consider using contrasting colors, clear fonts, and visually interesting elements that draw the eye. Remember, your thumbnail is your video's billboard. Make sure it's shouting your message loud and clear. Let's talk data, because knowledge is power, especially on YouTube. YouTube Analytics is like having a backstage pass to understanding exactly how your audience is interacting with your content. It's like having a conversation with your viewers, understanding what they love, and using that information to create even better content. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just shoot a basketball blindfolded, right? You'd want to see where the hoop is and adjust your technique based on that feedback. Analytics tells you things like watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and more. Are people clicking off your videos after the first few seconds? Maybe your intros are too long. By diving into your analytics, you can pinpoint what's working, what's not, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your content strategy. Remember, data is your friend. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to your advantage. So there you have it. Those are just a few of the common mistakes that could be holding your channel back, and more importantly, how to fix them. The beauty of YouTube is that it's always evolving, and so is the algorithm. The key is to stay curious, experiment, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments what you struggle with most when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Keep creating awesome content, stay engaged with your community, and I'll catch you in the next one.